this episode, we move from the why to the how. Breastfeeding is a shared skill that you and your baby develop together. At the Parentis program, we believe that with the right positioning and a little bit of patience, you can transform a technical challenge into a moment of pure connection. Is there a perfect way to hold your baby? Breastfeeding is a brand new skill for both of you, and it's completely normal to feel like you're all thumbs at first. Today, we're breaking down the mechanics of a perfect latch, from the belly-to-belly connection to the big yawn technique. Stay with us to discover how to turn blood, sweat, and tears into a comfortable, confident rhythm that satisfies your baby and protects your body. Before the feeding even begins, your environment plays a massive role. Whether you prefer to sit in a favorite chair or lie in bed, comfort is your top priority. A relaxed mother equals a better letdown reflex. Dr. Katalin Charlet-E, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, reminds us to prepare the space. You should look for a comfortable place. There just has to be peace and calm around them. The mother has to sit or lie comfortably supported by pillows because it is crucial for the letdown reflex as well. You should hold the child close to you and turn towards you. One mother shared the reality of those first 48 hours. My breast became huge, his mouth was tiny, and it was very difficult technically to make the link. We managed to do that in 2 days. With blood, sweat, and tears, we coped with it together. A successful feeding depends on how the baby takes the breast. Dr. Charlet-E provides a step-by-step guide to a deep, painless latch. Alignment. Turn the baby belly to belly so they aren't twisting their neck. Their nose should be in line with your nipple. The offer. Hold your breast from the outside, C-hold, making sure your fingers are well away from the areola so the baby has plenty of room to latch. The big yawn. Tickle the baby's lower lip with your nipple. Wait for them to open their mouth as wide as a yawn. The pull. Once the mouth is wide, smoothly but resolutely pull the baby towards you by their shoulders. Do not lean forward into them. The baby starts with small and quick sucking movements. Later, the milk flows and the baby swallows. You can hear the gulp. If you observe that the child actively swallows, then you can be sure that he gets enough. A note on timing. Forget the old school rules about feeding for exactly 5 or 10 minutes. Every baby has a different pace. Let your baby finish the first breast naturally. They will stop or fall asleep when they are satisfied. It is common to worry if your baby is getting enough, but you don't need to measure every single feeding. Measuring once a week is the gold standard for tracking development. The most important thing is that a baby has to grow all the time. By the second week, the baby should reach the weight of his birth. After that, the baby has to gain weight every week, about 7 to 9 ounces, 200 to 250 grams per week. This is the only significant sign for the proper sucking. Breastfeeding is more than just a needle, it's a sensory experience. At the distance of the breast, your baby can see your face sharply, creating an intimate connection through eye contact, warmth, and the sound of your heartbeat. One mother described the magic as her baby grew. Until his 6th week, he was sucking with his eyes closed. Later, he was looking at me, touching me. It was so beautiful when he touched me with a tiny little hand and fondled me. And let's not forget the fathers. While they don't breastfeed, they are essential partners in this journey. Fathers can build that same deep security through skin-to-skin contact, burping, and bath time. By focusing on comfort and correct positioning today, you are building the foundation for a long and happy breastfeeding relationship. You've got this. If this episode helped clarify how to find your rhythm, please like and subscribe to the Parentis program. Coming up next, we will explore how to find more flexibility in your routine in Relief on the Schedule of Breastfeeding. We'll see you there. Please note that all the content of the Parentis program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. Also, please ensure you read our legal statement.